This video is sponsored by Noragon, the commercial vehicle data experts. Visit noragon.com to learn more.
The name of this series may be On the Road, but I can't personally be on the road doing everything everywhere all at once. I'm not like Michelle Yeoh in that movie. What was its name again? I don't live in the multiverse. So for this one, I'm going to toss things over to Kevin Linger, our managing editor, who went up to Michigan to get an inside look at the new 5th generation Freightliner Cascadia. Take it away, Kevin.
This is Detroit. Sort of. We're actually in Ypsilanti, Michigan. Let's go outside and take a look. That is the 5th generation Freightliner Cascadia being demonstrated today. But although we are not in Detroit, Detroit is in that truck. All the way from the powertrain to the new safety systems that Freightliner is demoing and improving safety, efficiency, and profitability for fleet managers is what they're saying. So what new technology does it have? How does it work? How's it going to benefit fleets? And when can you get it? Let's go for a ride and find out. All right.
First impressions start with a first look. Daimler Truck North America tells us since the original Cascadia was released, they've improved aerodynamic efficiency by more than 35%. The 5th generation of the truck continues that trend, with an additional 1.9% fuel efficiency improvement coming just from the redesigned aerodynamics.
So we've been able to introduce aerodynamic styling lines. So again, helping air guide up around that hood and directing it around the side of the truck.
Miranda Richardson, the on-highway product marketing manager for Daimler Truck North America, walked us through the features that made the uptick in efficiency possible. Features like the new top and bottom seal around the hood closure, 3-piece wheel well, windshield air deflectors, redesigned Max Aero bumper, and these new air ducts, which have an added bonus.
The air ducts also help maintain brake temperature as well, as they provide us a cooling element, help guiding that air around.
As for powertrain, Detroit DD13 and DD15 engines will be available at launch, but additional options are coming as soon as 2026, when Freightliner says you can expect Cascadias to be available with the Cummins X15 diesel engine and X15N natural gas engine. Before we climb in, there are some safety features on the outside. You can see the new dual-stage intelligent LED headlights. The big ticket here is their ability to melt away ice and condensation in minutes. Daimler Truck also said the lights offer increased impact resistance and improved beam patterns, auto high beam features, and easier beam adjustment, all for enhanced invisibility. You'll also notice these wings sitting above the mirrors. These are part of the new proprietary Freightliner mirror cam system, which you can get pre-installed straight from the factory. The wings house a host of cameras sending video to in-cab monitors. 2 are on the A-pillars and a 3rd is near the rear-view mirror, which shows what's happening right outside the passenger side door. No matter if you're driving in light or in the dark, the image you get in the cab is crisp and clear thanks to infrared technology. Additionally, Jim Martin, Daimler Truck's Director of Vehicle Durability and Reliability Testing, said the cameras have a hydrophobic coating to help with fog and rain.
Where this system excels is in bad weather, right? Night and bad weather is the real game changer for mirror cam, is, where otherwise it might be misty and dirty and build up. The image in the mirror cam display is very, very clear.
The A-pillar cameras also have red, yellow, and green clearance lines, which you can set to match the length of your trailer. The view on the cameras even moves side to side when turning to keep the end of the trailer in sight. Other safety features aren't as easy to see, but you can feel them. This happened at around 35 miles an hour, but let's see it again in super slow-mo while I explain. Active Brake Assist 6 is part of the Detroit Assurance suite of safety systems. This, according to Steve Collins, Daimler Truck's Director of Field Sales Engineering, uses short and long-range radar sensors to improve detection of pedestrians and stationary objects. Not only that, but it can now stop the truck towing 80,000 pounds on a curve, not just on straightaways. Here's a look from inside the cab.
partial braking phase and a full braking phase, bringing the vehicle to a complete stop and mitigating the situation of a completely stopped vehicle being occurred.
Active Lane Assist 2 keeps the lane monitoring warnings from the previous version and adds lane change assist, which counter-steers the truck if you try to merge into an occupied lane. It sounds something like this, which I tested several times, on purpose of course.
Active, I want you to stay up at highway speeds for vehicle purposes, about 45, 50. Should be comfortable. Won't tell anybody you hit the lights. No, it's fine. I'm testing the responsiveness of the system.
Similar to that is Side Guard Assist 2, which watches for objects outside of the driver's and passenger side doors and along the length of the trailer. If something is detected on the passenger side, like a person walking through a parking lot, an alert will appear on the mirror cam monitors and the truck will automatically apply the brakes. Attentive driver protection will also automatically stop the truck, but only after no steering input is detected and a series of wake-up calls are issued to try and alert the driver first. If there is no response, the truck assumes the driver is in trouble.
So slowly bring the vehicle to a complete stop while maintaining the lane.
You don't have any feet on any pedals, nothing going on?
No, it's foot on the floor, just pretending like I had fallen asleep and had some sort of medical emergency.
The truck will also turn on the hazards, engage the electronic parking brake, unlock the doors, and the dome light in the cab starts flashing an SOS pattern. The hope here is that first responders or someone nearby will be able to access the cab and help the driver. The new electric parking brake is used for the 5th generation Cascadia's rollaway mitigation feature. If a driver gets out of the seat or opens the door without first setting the brake, the electric parking brake automatically engages to keep the truck in place. And it's not just automatic braking that's seen improvements. The new intelligent braking control system uses brake-by-wire technology and backup pneumatics, along with wheel speed sensors and an ECU to provide advanced control in the form of comfort braking and endurance braking. Comfort braking distributes brake force to maintain control and ensure smoother braking. Daimler Truck said it also helps to even out brake pad wear, extending component life. Endurance braking uses both engine and service brakes when the pedal is pushed down, further helping extend brake life and braking performance. Despite the use of the engine brake, it didn't sound any louder when the trucks were demonstrating the technology at the track. We've seen efficiency and safety. Now we're on to the last big category Daimler Truck targeted with this launch, profitability. The 5th gen Cascadia has a new electrical architecture to enhance cybersecurity and enable faster processing speeds for Detroit Connect. New key features include remote lock and unlock, which does exactly what it sounds like. No need to wait for a locksmith if a driver accidentally leaves the keys in the truck. A fleet manager can lock and unlock vehicles on demand through the platform, getting drivers back on the road. Detroit Connect Video Capture 2.0 automatically captures video and data during safety events, like those automatic braking tests we did earlier, or when a driver initiates the service. To help sort things out after an accident, videos can be viewed in near real time in the Detroit Connect portal. The new geofencing ability lets customers make custom-defined geographic areas in the Detroit Connect portal and receive notifications when vehicles enter or leave those areas. There's also Detroit Connect Safety Plus. This is a subscription that allows fleet managers to remotely track and receive notifications about the status and health of Detroit Assurance safety systems. With the launch of this new truck, there's also improvements to Detroit Connect's premium remote parameter updates. Now we're greatly expanding the available parameters for over-the-air updates, going from 7 to more than 50.
The Freightliner Cascadia 5th generation is really loaded with technology. They're aiming to make things safer for drivers, safer on the road, better for fleet managers to not have to worry so much. What they can worry about is when they can get one. And right now, Freightliner is saying mid-2025 and then a natural gas version coming in 2026. As we get more details about that, you know the place to find them out, fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for joining me. I'm Kevin Wing.